Finally, well, Arturo, you have talked about a lot of things. Okay, we understood about the sandwich panel, what is the structure, how to identify them, what kind of families we have, what is the difference between them, what are the difference between them, and other more technical information. But in case if you have a really particular inquiry, or just to understand how much is the minimum that you can have, well, it depends on the thickness in this case, because per different batches in the thickness of 50 in a 120 GP container, we will have containing, let's say, around the walls and the panel around 1,000 square meters. That is the minimum. Oh, in this case, sorry, it's a 40 GP. In the case of roof panel, it will be 700 because, well, it has the hills, right? It's different. It occupies less space inside the container, like this. Then, if I have the roof, in this case, will be piled up like different sides, so we can send them in this container. Okay, so if you can see, the more thicker is the panel, the less MOQ we will have. So this is important for your understanding when we will be delivering you your quotation. In a 40 HQ, the same thing happens. So you can see the minimum quantity that we are allowed in 50 is around 1,000. For the roof is 700 square meters, and let's say in 140 HQ is 1,100 and 750. If you have an inquiry, remember to always talk about the application. Is it roof? Is it wall? Okay, where are you gonna put your sandwich panel? How's gonna be your project? It's just a warehouse? It's a factory? It's a building with architectural purposes? All those little things, all those little details will help you to understand and assess you technically. The number two, insulation. What kind of insulation you need? Okay, rock wool, glass wool, PR, EPS, and the insulation density. Okay, remember. Steel layer. About the steel layer, we're gonna need the steel layer thickness. Okay, the top and the back of the sandwich panel, the top and the back. Okay, the raw color steel layer. Usually, as I told you before, it's just one standard, and well, depending on the flexibility, it's possible to deliver other types. Intended use for industrial, rural, coastal areas. Well, this is basically because we need to understand what kind of coatings you need, how much, and then what kind of paint thickness, and the last in the type of paint. Remember PE, SMP, HDP, PVDF. Here will be necessary to understand. Finally, of course, as I mentioned on the sandwich panel, the panel thickness, okay, the overall thickness, the panel width, and the panel length. So we can specify technically your inquiry. And finally, the part of the connectors, well, the connectors is, if the price we talked before, no need aesthetics, well, we just go through the through fasten or the secret fasten. Those are the different ones. So if you have any inquiry, any doubts or any concerns about this product, well, you're really welcome to send us any of them to us. We will be glad to help you to deliver. In this case, you can contact us by our email hello@metavolt.com or sales@metavolt.com. Both of them are for you. You can visit us on metavolt.com or our website in Alibaba. It is metavolt.en.alibaba.com. Facebook, find us as Shanghai Metavolt. The same thing on LinkedIn and Twitter and WhatsApp. You can also text us over there. So we'll be glad to have you all your doubts or your inquiries. You're really welcome to come. Okay, so from here from Shanghai, I will say bye to you, and it was a pleasure to introduce you this product today. Okay, bye bye.